in position.
On count. Hostiles down.
Area clear.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
How are you doing? Are you alright?
Yeah. I think so. I'm Sarah. I'm one of the researchers for the camp.
What happened on this island here? I thought it was safe.
I don't know. We were researching the virus. We were trying to find an antidote, and all my colleagues just got infected, and we got so close. We were so close. We were so close. We had so many breakthroughs, but I'm on my way to go and get some supplies from the camp.
We're heading there now. Tag along with us.
Yeah.
Let's move.
Thank you.